you want to go inside, you will know if there is a vacancy. And then, if you want to change the language to start about it, you can change it. There is a flash and a light flash. If you want to use the rear, the front, the privacy music, and the one clean, you can use it. And if you want to start it, just stop. And if you want to stop, just stop it again. So I try to start and stop it. Taran! Oh my gosh, wala po talaga to sa Bukid. Kaya hindi ko po alam kung paano mag-open. Pasensya na guys, na-stuck po talaga ako dito for almost 20 minutes. It's really, oh my gosh guys. But again, I tried and I got out on this Toto WashLet. And as you can see, I am who I am. Yan. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.